right here. We're here in
Thank you for visiting us today.
Star Wars
Just a few
land.
reminders.
Is that an X-Wing? No, X-Wing of the good guys. Wow, look at that. Oh, wow. This is Olga's Cantina, I believe. I think that's what that is. It is, because we've been in there before. Here is the Millennium Falcon. It's just, the sun's just starting to go down. It looks awesome. Look at that. Look at that up there. Wow. Look, you can see the engines running up there. We're walking on, y'all. Look at this. Look at this. This is the back of the Millennium Falcon. Look at that. Look at that.
Okay, everybody, listen up.
Wow, come on.
Who took my hydro spanner? Hey, please identify yourself when using the comm. Who is speaking? Malta! You know perfectly well this is car. Did you take my hydro spanner? I put it in this crate and now it's gone. Can you identify the hydro spanner in question? It's a hydro spanner. You know what a hydro spanner looks like. Are you sure it's gone? What? Of course it's gone. I'm staring at the crate right now. Sure you didn't seal up in one of the crates you're shipping out?
Wow.
Sounds like something you do. Honda's gonna kill me if I don't finish this job. This shipment has to go out today, and I need my hydro spanner. Warning you, Malta, if you don't show up in the next 5 seconds with my...
Getting the walk, dude.
Never mind.
Oh, here's the other side view there of the Millennium Falcon. It's we're going.
Systems check. Activate intake flaps. Let's run a full diagnostic on that before Honda gets wind of it.
All right, look at that. This is all the stuff here in the cargo. I don't know what you call this. The cargo bay where the Millennium Falcon's parked. There's a piece of a droid down there. Hold on, Isaac. Wow. This is pretty neat stuff here, you guys. I don't know what you think about it, but it's pretty neat, I think. All right, we're back, and this is the top of the Millennium Falcon. Looking out the bay doors here. We're still going
Hey, Malta, you
on
there?
the ride.
Malta on the comm. Go ahead.
Getting out of breath already.
Equipment is for the same ship? Yeah. They're outfitting the Millennium Falcon.
There's Chewie. There's Hondo. Look, there's a droid.
We better go before it
Bye-bye, he
changes.
said.
Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn. And if
We're in the middle room. Here's the chessboard. Soon this thing will have, I saw a video where there's going to be characters on top of there. Eventually they're going to have the holograms on there. I watched the video on it. So alrighty. Here we go. We're going to get into the flight.
Listen, my dear, today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium.
We're filming.
Gunners, you play the part. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Now get a move on and know that I have complete faith in you. But I am coming along with you just in case.
He's coming along. Are you all ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Woohoo!
Are you ready?
I've been on this before, but we're going again.
Going again. That's right.
Mom, you want to fly with me? You've never done it before. Okay.
Come on, you can be a pilot. Yes, do it. I want you to do it. There we go. Here we go.
For your safety, remain seated and supervise young ladies.
Oh, here we go.
Time is money.
Time is money. Thank you, thank you.
Engineers.
Here we go.
Automatic repair engaged.
Let's see. I don't know what I'm gonna get.
You get the 5 feet.
Right,
Lights.
pilot. Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left.
Oh,
Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly up.
oh.
Push forward to fly down. Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters.
Oh.
Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed.
Oh, no, light speed! Woo! Oh, here we go. Oh,
There's the train. Jump. Up. Yes, yes, keep shooting.
go ahead, keep shooting. Oh,
They've locked onto us. Take evasive action.
oh, we're going. I tell you, I don't know what we're doing here, but we're doing it.
After that train.
There's the control panel.
Gunners,
Oh.
fire the harpoon.
Hit the button.
Now, gunners, shoot the cargo.
Hit the button, hit the button, man, hit the button. Oh!
My friends, that could have been fun. Okay.
Oh my gosh!
It's fun.
Wait a minute! Oh my gosh! We crashed.
You got one.
Okay.
Excellent, my friends.
Okay,
Power up the ship. Well,
here we go. Hit the button. Go.
You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of
Good job,
coaxium.
Mandy. Oh!
Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train.
There it is.
Fire the harpoon. Gunners,
Fire.
shoot the train.
Shoot the buttons, the flashing buttons. Shoot it, shoot it, shoot. Good job. All right. We're gonna take them down. Hit them one more time. One more time. That's it. Hey, here we go.
Get it, Isaac, get it.
Get it, Isaac. You got it.
I thought you had it. Gunship? Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We have to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train.
Fire the missile. Hey, we got it. We got it.
The star destroyer is
Holy moly.
collapsing.
Holy moly.
Left pilot, hit the boosters.
Look out.
Boost, boost.
Hit the booster.
We did not die.
Look at everybody okay? Everybody okay? Oh, here we go, man. He reached over. She did it for me. Man, we're slipping. I was slipping. Hold on.
Great job, my friends. You retrieved one container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You upheld the First Order and made Chewie proud.
Oh my God.
Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon
Oh,
is...
no.
Oh, that is rough.
Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Look at that. Hot shot.
You to go. Don't worry. Payment is on the way.
They said it was a hot shot. We got to get out of here, he said. We got to get out of here. We did great. Go ahead. Come on. All right. Man, we got damage here. I think we damaged it. I'm not sure. I think.
One piece more or less.
Oh my gosh, did you hear that? We did it. We damaged it. They said one. Wait a minute. There's stuff messed up all over the place. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Hold this for me.
Did we do that?
We did it.
Oops.
We damaged it.
Sorry.
We did it. That, there's stuff. There's stuff still sparking everywhere. Look at this. Go ahead on in. There it is.
Here goes.
Special cargo bay here.
I was like, I'm gonna read the tunnel, and I'm gonna wait. Do one.
I guess we'll go to the forest here. But all right, you guys. That was it. We just rode the Millennium Falcon. We're in the elevator.
We have a Corellian freighter that needs immediate transport back to the maintenance bay. This thing has seen better days.
Oh my
Better
gosh.
fix all that before the Wookiee season.
Oh, I feel
Well,
it.
we're out. I'm half Wookiee. This was Hollywood Studios today with my sweet love. Thanks for coming by with me today, stopping by and checking with us today. And remember, be the best and be blessed.